I'm gonna buy 1,000 homes with cash by the end of next year. This house here, this is the first deal that I bought in Ohio, and I covered it on the YouTube channel, stating, it was October, stating I'm gonna buy it for $84,900. I think I'll rent it for $1,300 a month. Instead, rented it for $1,598 a month. And after the first purchase, I bought a second, a third, a fourth. I now own 17 houses here. Our investors and I collectively own over 130 properties inside of a 16-month window. When I came here, I didn't know anybody, no one. And the reason I share that is now we have a team of contractors and vendors we work with, over 100 people. We have our own in-house property management. We're the biggest billboard advertiser in all of Ohio and the most dominant home buyer in all of Cleveland. We've done it in a very short period of time, and I think we're going to do a lot more. And the reason that we're moving so quickly and so aggressively is what's happening in the world right now. Inflation is out of control. The cost of living is out of control.
Latest inflation figures show consumer prices rose 0.4% last month, bringing the annual rate to 2.9%.
But on the flip side, Americans say that they are struggling. A new report reveals 69% say their income is falling behind the cost of living.
I personally believe government dependence is going to grow, and people are going to want safe, quiet, secure neighborhoods to raise their families, and people are going to be downsizing into renting. And so when we can acquire properties at a third of the cost of replacement value and get a guaranteed check from the federal government via the Section 8 housing voucher program, it's about as safe as it gets. You look at the stock market, average return is about 10%. Treasury bills, 3.8, maybe 4%. This is 16%. 16%. So as the average tenant stays about 7 years on the housing voucher, they're gonna pay off the property before they relocate. And this is basically a free house for my family. And so when you could do this at scale, there's a lot of opportunity. But there's a lot of ways in which you could lose money. You could lose money by buying the wrong house, buying the wrong deal, hiring the wrong contractors, the wrong property management. That's why I moved out here and brought my family and started assembling this crew to where we could control every aspect of it to reduce our risk. And so we bought a headquarters here in downtown Cleveland, did a full gut renovation. I just hired a property manager that's in-house in our office from a competitor that she is amazing. She's working here with our 100 contractors and our support staff. We have our own app that we just developed. Like, we're moving very, very, very quickly, even with some headwinds. For example, you have the CEO of Habitat for Humanity begging local politicians to bring forward laws to stop me from advertising on billboards. You had local news channels, you had Yahoo News in the UK, Fox LA, all covering my Yes, I Buy Crack Houses campaign.
So billboards have gone up and some are calling them to be taken down.
Cleveland City Council President Blaine Griffin says the billboards are not a good way to do business in the community.
Advertise statements like, quote, yes, I buy crack houses, and quote, your house is trash, I'll pay cash. And there are dozens of them all over Greater Cleveland.
They pulled the campaign down. Then my new campaign, Top Ninja, went out. They pulled that campaign down. And meanwhile, as all that happened, we were able to leverage an unbelievable amount of inventory because everybody was talking about this billboard campaign. Our new campaign just went live a few days ago, and we're going to be going harder than ever. And so as we begin to ramp up, buying more and more and more inventory, offering the best property management, buying in the best areas, acquiring the best deals, it's going to get easier. It's going to get a lot easier. When I first came here, my only objective was just to buy some houses for my family. And to look at how far we've come over 16 months, it's really unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. And I really look forward to sharing this journey, because when you look at the outcome that society is heading in, it's clear. Like, the outcome is going to be a renter society. The outcome is going to be families needing government assistance. And institutions, they're going to begin to acquire more and more single-family homes. MetLife Insurance came out saying that 40% of all rental homes in America will be owned by corporations. So what we do is we're individuals with some money that we want to acquire deals for ourselves and our family. At least that's what I came out here for, and all of our investors, they're pursuing the same objective. Acquire great deals, have the best construction, the best property management and get direct deposits. Like if you look at some of the most uncertain periods in the last 20 years, you had 9/11, the great financial crisis, COVID, all these scenarios, Section 8 paid every single month. They never missed a check. You know, not many employers can say that they've done that with their employees. A lot of people have missed a lot of checks over that same period. No Section 8 landlords have. And so as you continue to move in this direction through inflation, these Section 8 checks, they're gonna get more and more and more attractive. And as the cost of the world gets more expensive, so will the wood, so will the shingles, so will the bricks. Everything is gonna get a lot more expensive, and it's gonna get pushed onto home builders. And so that pre-existing inventory that we're buying at rock bottom prices is gonna get more expensive as well. So I think this is gonna be the best inflation hedge, and I'm going all in on Section 8. And we're so far been very, very, very lucky with all of our tenants. None of them have been an issue, but we also do rigorous screening. Like we check the insides of their current home, see how they treat the current property, check all references. We do 3-4 different Zoom meetings with our entire team depending on specific tenants. But so far, all of our tenants have been great. They've taken great care of the properties, and I think they're going to stay a very, very long time. And so I look forward to sharing the entire journey with you, because no one else has done this. A lot of people say, oh, I buy Section 8 properties, or I do this, or I do that. We're going to go from one house, which I covered in late 2024, to 1,000 in 36 months. And we're going to show the wins, the losses, and everything in between.